So this is the new Instagram giveaway strategy. I will also show the live demo as well, which no one is talking about. So our goal is to generate potential leads and also make discounted sales during the Instagram giveaway, and also this also will helps to increase the following and engagement as well. So it's a kind of contest. So let me share my screen over here and show you. So this is the page we are running the giveaway, and this is the exact Instagram giveaway post. So win a signature box. So let me read the caption over here. Spring giveaway. Spring is here, and we hosting the giveaway contest with this particular Instagram account to offer a chance to win one of our signature boxes, which value around $119. Welcome this let's look at the let's omit these kind of details, and let's see. To enter, you have to like the reel, and you have to follow both of these accounts, and also you have to comment this particular keyword and also tag 2 friends as well. So this is how you enter the giveaway, and just by doing these kind of things, you are not actually entered in the giveaway. So we basically using the chat funnels, we will send automatic DM to those people who actually comment this particular keyword and tagging those friends, and there we will actually collecting their email address as well. And also they can easily enter extra entries or winning chances by sharing this particular post in their Instagram stories every 24 hours. Suppose if they try to share it within 24 hours two or three times, only they will get only one entry every 24 hours. And also there is also another interesting thing. We are also offering them extra 20% off during this giveaway time, and if they try to visit our website, we are also adding an extra point for them as well. So basically I have already commented on this post, so let me show the chat how this look like. So let me open the chat over here. So basically let me show the chat from the beginning. So it says this page blue leaf box messaged you about a comment you made on their post, because I comment the particular exact keyword. So it says, hi there, we are thrilled you are interested in participating in this particular giveaway. To complete your interest, please tap the button below and type win. So I tapped that particular win button, and it sent me this particular giveaway post over here, and it also asked me to enter the email address. So this is where we actually collect the leads who are entering the giveaway. So I provide the email over here, and also basically after we provide the email, we actually internally check using the chatbots. We internally check if they are following this particular account where we have posted the giveaway post, and it says I am not following it, and it asks me to follow the account. So after I follow the account, I simply click done. So basically if they don't follow the accounts, they cannot simply enter. So this ensures that you are getting entries only if they are following the account. So here I already followed and click the done button. So it says, it actually goes and again checks. So it says one moment, and it says finally we are excited to have you join us, and we wish you the best of luck. So initially everyone will get one chance of winning, because just for entering the giveaway. Suppose if they shared this particular giveaway post to their stories by tagging our account, they can win extra 1 point every 24 hours. So basically this is what it says. It follows up and says, did you know you can get more points by sharing that particular giveaway post and tagging it on their stories. So if they say I want to win, it simply send the instructions on how to tag the particular giveaway post on the Instagram stories easily. So that's the instruction. So once I have tagged the Instagram story, I received an automatic message saying, thank you for sharing our blue leaf box giveaway post on your Instagram story and tagging us. You are on fire. By doing so, you have earned an extra point and boosted your chances of winning the blue leaf giveaway signature box. So as you see, it actually increased my point by 2. So basically they can do this every 24 hours to increase their point until the giveaway ends. So that's another cool thing over here. And also if they try to tag again 2 times or 3 times within 24 hours, we will send this kind of message: we appreciate your eagerness to participate, but we kindly ask you to wait 24 hours before tagging us again. So that's so this message is sent because I tried to tag the story within 2 times the story within 24 hours, and it still says your total winning chances now stand at 2, because there is no increasement in points if they try to tag twice within 24 hours. And also, and the cool thing is that we are actually providing this giveaway so for the giveaway winner or a contest winner, we are providing this gift box for free. So we are also offering 20% discount during this particular giveaway time for anyone who enter the giveaway to purchase it. Suppose if they actually win this particular giveaway, we will simply refund them money. Otherwise, if they don't win, it's a win-to-win situation, because they actually get 20% off on their purchase. So that is how this works. And if they actually click this particular button 20% off, we will simply increase their point by 1 as well. So this is how this whole giveaway works. So let me show how the data is transferred over here. So we actually have a Google Sheet. So this is the email address. So I have hide all these email address for privacy reasons. So basically, every time when someone enters the giveaway in the entries workbook, we will get all the details over here. So you can find the total points as well. So some people got 1 point and some have 4 points, and one person has 5 points who is ranked as number 1. And we also have the winner tab as well. Here we will collect only the people with the highest point, because in this at the moment only this person has got the highest number of points, which is 5. So that's why you are seeing only one person over here, and that is the winner as well. Suppose when we end this giveaway by April 4th, so this particular giveaway will be ending by April 4th. At that time, if we have like 2-3 people got this kind of same points, we will simply select a winner randomly. So that is how this whole process works. So if you have any questions regarding this, let me know in the comments. Thank you.